My name is Steve, and I'm with Magitek. For over 20 years, we've been designing and developing some of the world's most advanced awarded power wheelchair controls. And we would like to just demonstrate a couple of the main features. We have the iZip, which consists of a wireless tilt sensor, which when placed on the head or can be used as an ear mount, actually will provide your input means for driving the chair. It's quite simple, it's quite small, and it can be mounted in any location a person has predictable, reliable movement. We also offer an iZip 2, which is an advanced switching system, and we have an iZip 3, which is a hybrid system utilizing both tilt sensor technology along with switching technology. Today we're demonstrating the iZip, which is the original design, critically acclaimed and awarded throughout the world, that as a new alternative for specialty input devices. As you know, there's many systems out there that are pretty much all alike. Magitek has always prided itself on being quite unique. We have 4 different ways to stop the system. Some of the safeties are built in, some of the safeties can be switched on and off. We are able to adjust the neutral zone, which allows various amounts of movement required to activate the chair. In other words, if a person is a high quad, has very little head movement, we would turn this adjustment, the neutral zone adjustment, very low. So it requires very little movement to operate the chair. Adversely, if someone has more gross motor movement, we just simply dial the knob. It's a very simple setting and change it to accommodate that user's movement. At this time, I would like to just simply set in the chair and show you the components for the wireless consist of a transmitter, which can be mounted anywhere that's convenient, and then the receiver box, which actually plugs into the unit on the back of the chair. So at this time, I will just demonstrate how easy this really is to use. Today we're actually using a wired sensor, but our latest breakthroughs, as I mentioned, involve a wireless tilt sensor. We're going to turn our system on. This system is connected to an RNet by Penny & Giles, which is one of the leading manufacturers of power wheelchair controls. Now I've tapped my switch, I've timed out, and now I just simply tilt my head to drive. As with most power chairs, you can set your controller to time out to the menu, and once you're in the menu, you can scroll and navigate the various functions and features, including seat actuators, ECUs, and even wireless Bluetooth connection for mouse movement on your computer. So once again, it's as simple as setting your controller for proportional, which it thinks it's seeing a joystick, which is the most conventional type of signal that these controllers like anyway. It turns your head into the joystick. And that concludes this demonstration.